There is no need for me to introduce you to Home Hardware, a brand we all know, love, and trust. However, let me present to you Beaver Homes and Cottages, who have completely revolutionized our perception of secondary suites. An accessory dwelling unit offers separate living space that's detached from the main residence. ADUs offer all the residential amenities you would find in a regular home. They're equipped with electrical and plumbing fixtures, all while looking good. Beaver Homes and Cottages has it all. Guys, I'm absolutely in love. Check out this space. Perfect for extended family, rental income, in-law suite. And check out this kitchen. It's absolutely customized to suit your preferences. I'm about to have a bite, have a nice warm shower, and hit the hay. Thank you so much, guys, for coming by, and make sure you contact your local Beaver Homes and Cottages consultant for all the information that you need. Stay tuned for episode 2.